Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So guys, right now, in my personal opinion, is in fact a huge opportunity right now to make some money with crypto. Okay, now I'm not talking about regular money. I'm talking about some life-changing money. Okay, I know for a fact a lot of you guys that are in fact watching this video right now, you guys want to have some type of wealth, right? You guys want to become millionaires. Okay, you guys are probably, right, going to be, okay, that's if you invest into crypto right now. Okay, you're probably most likely going to be the first millionaire out of your entire family, right? Okay, and you want to have freedom. Okay, I feel like this is most important, right? I feel like you want to have freedom in life. Okay, you want to have financial freedom, right? You don't have to worry about money or anything like that anymore, right? That's what everyone pretty much wants in this world, right? Is to have some type of freedom. And I feel like crypto, okay, is a way to get all that. Okay. Now, guys, listen, this is not financial advice. So always do your own research, right? None of my videos, okay, is financial advice. So please understand this and to always do your own research, guys. But you guys have to understand, we are in fact in a bear market, even though yes, we saw Bitcoin pumping and whatnot, right? We know, especially last month, okay, in January, we saw Bitcoin absolutely skyrocket, right? At one point, Bitcoin was at $16,000 and it pumped all the way up to pretty much you know over $23,000. You know what I mean? Like over 24K, right? At one point, and then it dropped back down. Anyways, even yes, all this is happening right now for Bitcoin, and yes, guys, I told you guys this many times that this is in fact a bull trap, right? Personally, okay, I think it is a bull trap, right? We are in fact seeing a retest right now. Yes, I told you guys many times, right? We are in fact seeing a little curve right now, okay, and we saw yesterday that Bitcoin was in fact having a drop, right? We know yesterday the markets were in fact dropping, altcoins were dropping and whatnot, and today it's sort of the same thing, right? So we saw this drop yesterday for Bitcoin, okay, and then it slightly bounced back up, but right now it is in fact having a slight drop right now. Bitcoin's currently at 21.7, okay. Earlier this morning it was actually at like $22,000, but it dropped, right? So yeah, Bitcoin is in fact having a slight drop today. Same with Ethereum, right? Ethereum is having a drop as well. Okay, $1,500 still. Ethereum is holding up pretty well though, in my opinion, and a lot of altcoins are in fact down today. But if you guys haven't seen, yesterday's video, I uploaded two videos, and in one of them, I actually talked about why Bitcoin and altcoins are dirt cheap right now, and that's because if you go to any of these altcoins, including Bitcoin, right, any of them, okay, and you look at the charts, okay, let's just go to Ethereum for an example, right, and we'll go to all time. You guys can see how much Ethereum has dropped from its previous all-time highs, okay, all the way up here to where we are now. Okay, it has dropped a lot. Now let's go to something like Cardano. This is a great example because Cardano has dropped a lot. Now every altcoin, not every altcoin, but most altcoins in the market, okay, if you go to the all-time chart, this is how it's all looking like, right? We have a previous all-time high and then a falling wedge, right? A downtrend, a massive downtrend, right? Because we know 2022 was not a great year for Bitcoin and crypto, right? That's because we were in fact in a bear market. We still are, right? We still are in fact in this bear market, guys, right? We're not in our bull market yet, okay? But you guys can clearly see, okay, this is just a perfect example on why, okay, I think personally is the best time right now to buy crypto, okay, to invest into crypto, to accumulate into crypto and whatnot. We are obviously right now in a accumulation stage right now, so everyone right now should be at least accumulating in crypto, okay, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, BNB, XRP, Polygon, Chainlink, Litecoin, right? Dogecoin should be UNU, okay, Avalanche. We should all be investing into crypto right now. If you guys are in fact in the crypto space, if you guys are in fact crypto investors, we all should be at least dollar cost averaging right now, okay. I told you guys this many times, okay. 2023, this year, okay, this year especially, right, alone, this year is the year to pretty much buy crypto, okay, because I told you guys this many times, the year 2024 is pretty much when the crypto bull market will in fact start. How do I know that? Well, the halving, of course, I'm talking about, right? The Bitcoin halving. So the next Bitcoin halving is going to happen in the year 2024. You guys can see that right there. Okay, so the halving always happens every 4 years pretty much, right? There's always a cycle and it's every 4 years, right? So obviously our last halving was back in 2020. Okay, that was in fact our most previous halving. Okay, and our next halving is going to happen in the year 2024, right? And obviously once the Bitcoin halving does in fact happen, we're going to see Bitcoin absolutely skyrocket, and of course other altcoins, right? The entire crypto market's just going to pump like crazy once the halving does officially happen, right, for the year 2024. And that's why, guys, I'm telling you guys this, right? In 2023, okay, we still have time to buy it and to accumulate, right? We really do. You know what I mean? So that's why I've been begging you guys and telling you guys to accumulate right now. Okay, this is literally a huge opportunity now to make money with crypto. I'm being dead serious. This is literally a huge opportunity for all of us right now to make money with crypto. Okay, and that's why, guys, for the past few weeks, right, I've been buying into crypto. Like literally, if you guys have been watching my previous videos, a couple days ago, I've been investing into Bitcoin mainly, right? You guys know that. You guys saw I invested almost $20,000 into Bitcoin, and then another time I invested $11,000 into Bitcoin. That was like 4 days ago. Okay, so I'm not joking. I'm legit going all in on Bitcoin, right? I'm investing heavy into Bitcoin, especially. I'm obviously investing into other altcoins. Okay, this week I'm gonna keep my eye on Ethereum because I've been buying a lot of Bitcoin, right? I've been buying a lot of Bitcoin. I've been investing heavy into Bitcoin for the past like few months now, and I've been buying a little bit of Ethereum, right? But I really want to push heavy with Ethereum now, and I really want to keep my eye on Ethereum. I want to put my focus on Ethereum and just invest a bit more in Ethereum right now, right? So Ethereum right now is my main focus, but I'm also investing into other altcoins, right? That I believe long term, the ones that pretty much will in fact stay here forever, and the ones that will perform really well in the next crypto bull market, which is pretty much majority of them, right? But my main focus as of right now is Ethereum. Okay, I'm going to invest heavy into Ethereum for the next couple of weeks, and then I'm going to move on to other altcoins, right? Invest heavy into some crypto coins, right? Altcoins that I believe, like I said, that will perform really well and are here for long term, right? But yeah, you guys can clearly see the Bitcoin halving is going to happen in the year 2024. So that is when, guys, pretty much the next crypto bull market will in fact happen. And every time we have these halvings, guys, you guys understand, it always pumps up, right? I told you guys this many times and I showed you guys this many times, right? Look at this, back in 2013 when we had the halving, Bitcoin absolutely skyrocketed and then it dropped back down. And then our second halving back in 2016, mid 2016, right? We were down obviously, and then after that, boom, Bitcoin absolutely pumped up and then we dropped, right? And then in 2020, mid of 2020, okay, we had the halving, and you already know it, right? It pumped up, okay, it pumped up, and now we're down. So the year 2024, once that does in fact happen, we will in fact see a pump up. So I think right now, yes, we could see Bitcoin potentially go back up to maybe $30,000, maybe even $40,000. I don't think it will go higher than that this year in 2023. I think it's just going to consolidate, right? And then, guys, it's going to absolutely pump up once the halving does in fact happen mid 2024. I reckon around April or May, our next halving should in fact be happening, right? Which is next year in 2024, of course. Okay, so be excited about that, guys. Okay, and that's why, guys, I believe that is when the next crypto bull market will in fact start, once the halving does in fact happen. So check this out, guys, right? Check this chart out. You guys can see 2012, okay, it pumped up. 2015 had a pump up, right? 2019 had a pump up, and now we're in 2023, and it looks like, okay, history does in fact repeat itself, and it's going to pump up as well. But I don't think this year in 2023 we will in fact see Bitcoin over $40,000. I could be wrong here, right? We could potentially, right, see Bitcoin above 40K, but we might not. I don't think that's possible, right? Because the entire economy right now is just not looking too good. Okay, it really isn't, right? I know for a fact a lot of stocks are going to drop. Okay, the stock market's going to drop heavy, and that means, guys, the crypto market's going to drop heavy as well, right? You know, the S&P 500, I know for a fact, is going to get rejected, you know, the fourth time. And once it does, we're going to see Bitcoin drop, and that means the entire crypto market's going to drop. So I don't think this year in 2023, we're going to see massive, massive upsides. Okay, we could, you know, like I said many times, we could potentially see Bitcoin, you know, pump up all the way to like, you know, $30,000, you know, even $40,000, but no higher than 40K in my opinion, right? Which is good. It gives us time to pretty much buy Bitcoin at a cheaper price. And I really hope Bitcoin doesn't pump this much, you know what I mean? Because I want to buy, and I know for a fact you guys want to buy at a good price as well. Now, guys, listen, okay, to end this video off, I'm not joking. Okay, I'm not joking. This is a huge opportunity right now for all of us to make life-changing money with crypto. Okay, like I said, this is not financial advice at all, so always do your own research, but this is just personally my opinion, okay? But I'm telling you guys this right now. If you take advantage now, because we know how much Bitcoin has dropped, we know how much Ethereum has dropped and stuff, right? But I'm telling you this right now, okay? If you just buy in now, if you dollar cost average right now, okay, this year in 2023, okay, you put like, let's just say 80% to 90%, maybe even 100%, right, of your liquid, of your cash, of your net worth into crypto, right? And you hold your investments, okay, in the next couple of years, you know, in the next crypto bull market and whatnot, you know, Bitcoin goes back up to its, you know, previous all-time highs, okay, and it goes even higher, because I do think Bitcoin will in fact, you know, go back up to, you know, 100, you know, it's going to reach $100,000. Okay, it's going to reach a new all-time high. Okay, it's going to go back up to its previous all-time high easily. I think that's easily going to happen, and it's 100% going to go back up to 100K. Okay, so if you take advantage now, okay, you're going to make some life-changing money. Okay, you really will, guys. And like I said many times, this is not financial advice. Okay, always do your own research. This is just personally my opinion, but it's just crazy to me how people are not bullish with crypto right now and Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Like, they don't see this as an opportunity to make money with crypto. You guys have to understand. Bitcoin, it's still, you know, the same coin. It's still the same technology. Just because you see Bitcoin drop, right, massively, we know Bitcoin has dropped massively. I can totally agree with that, right? Nothing has changed with Bitcoin. You know what I mean? It's literally still the same coin. You know, when it was back at its previous all-time highs, okay, when we were in fact at, you know, $67,000, right, to where we are now, $21,000, it's still the same coin. You guys have to understand that, right? It's still the same technology, right? It's legit the same. It's just dropped a lot, guys, right? That's it. It's on sale right now. You guys understand what I'm trying to say? So I feel like this is literally a huge opportunity right now to buy Bitcoin. Okay, and not just Bitcoin, but other altcoins, right? And you guys should really do your own research on what altcoins you guys really want to invest in, because each of these altcoins, right, have different usage, technologies, right, and whatnot. Okay, they're not all the same, obviously. So you guys really got to do your own research, and if you like it, invest in it, right? I've been telling you guys that many times, and that's personally what I do. So I think, guys, buying Bitcoin right now, especially at $21,000, is a great buy, especially if you're investing for long term, right? Think about it. Buying one Bitcoin for $21,000, that's cheap. $21,000, I'm not saying it's not cheap. It's obviously a lot of money. It's like buying a new car right now to buy one Bitcoin, but you guys understand. Imagine buying one Bitcoin when it's at $100,000. You missed this opportunity on buying Bitcoin at 21K. Now Bitcoin's at above $100,000. Would you guys invest into Bitcoin then, when everyone is FOMOing in, right, investing heavy, okay, into Bitcoin because it's pumping for some reason? A lot of people like to buy Bitcoin when it's pumping, okay, but you should be buying now, guys, because Bitcoin has dropped a lot and it's cheap, right? And it's really low right now, in my opinion, right? Compared to its previous all-time highs to where it is now, it's really cheap, especially if you want to invest for long term, which you guys should be investing for long term. So imagine that, right? Invest now, guys. It's easier now to invest into Bitcoin because of how low it is, okay? It will obviously, you know, bounce back up. You guys understand what I'm trying to say here? Okay, so always think long term with your investments, guys, especially if you're investing with the basics, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are great long-term investments, right? But the altcoins, most of them, okay, if I make, you know, double my money, 5x my money, 10x my money even, I'm taking my profits, right? But with Bitcoin and Ethereum, I am hodling, okay? I am hodling for a really long period of time, okay? Especially Bitcoin. But yeah, guys, I think right now is, in fact, the biggest opportunity right now to make some money with crypto, right? It really is because of how much it has dropped. So please understand what I'm trying to say here and where I'm coming from. And I'm pretty sure you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. But yeah, huge opportunity right now. Huge opportunity right now to make money with crypto. Okay, so invest now, guys, and hodl. And I promise you guys will, in fact, you know, make some decent returns back. Okay, for a fact. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. I really would appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a good one, guys.